birds. You can see them. See, there's one right here. There's two of them actually right here. There's one flying there, right? And there's also another one here. Here's his beak down here, right? His beak. And then this one right here, this one's an eagle. This one right here, he's an eagle. See? I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but here's an eagle. And then the hand of God, he's landed on the hand, eagle, right? Here's another little tiny guy, if you can picture it yet. I can't picture it yet. There's the lizard. Now that you can see it a little better, there's the lizard. And then here's the other bud, the little buds. And then if you look, the whole thing looks like a cross. See? Cross. The eagle. The eagle. This one's kind of like a blue jay, not yet though, with his hair. Look at the hand. Yeah, and the eagle grabbing the hand. Here's the lizard. Right? And then here, right here, this little guy, this is a bird. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's super bird. I don't know. And then here's a little birdie guy running down in here flying, and then there's the other bird right there. See him? This was all here in this thing. And it all looks like a piece of trash from here, huh? This is like how God works, dude. It's beautiful. I didn't do anything to this. I just brought out what was here, you know? And I made it. Into who he is. Just brought it into whatever it was. That's creation right there. That's creation. That's manifestation. That's seeing with your spiritual eyes. You know? See with your spiritual eyes. And down here, I think I'm gonna do some resin or something if I can get some cash together to do this. But this is a pretty cool piece, huh?